Amita ma'am?
Yes, Nusrat ma'am. Yes, I've started.
Okay. Get ready to join, all of you. Loading game pin. It is humble request. Please, only student will join the quiz. And by the first name, 99901364.
Kindly join with your first name. So we have Zubin, Shubhangi, Fateh, Piyush, Krishna, Gustavo, Azim, and Hamza. Waiting for more participants.
Arham also joined. Eleven participants are there only. 12. Good. Hurry up, beta, join. Soon I am going to start quiz. One thing also I want to make clear, beta, you have to select the correct color of the correct answer. In the device which you have entered the pin, there you have to choose the color of the correct answer. Answer will not appear there, only colors will be appear. You see the correct answer on my screen and choose the color of the correct answer. So I am starting the quiz. All of you entered? I'm waiting for the 4 participants also. They have not entered. Hurry up, beta, join fast. If any doubt, then you can ask.
Mohammed Arshan, please join quickly.
Arshan is there. Piyush is not there. Piyush is there. Zubin. Shubhangi. Yes. Karthik DS is not there. Karthik, please join, beta, if you are there. Uruj Ansari. Uruj. Hurry up, beta, please join, Uruj. Fozia is also not there. Fozia. Are you getting any problem in joining? Then I can repeat the steps. In the web browser, in the Google search, type kahoot.it. In the Google search bar, type Kahoot, K-A-H-O-O-T, kahoot.it. Then click there. Very first option you will find Play Kahoot. Click there. Then a page will appear. It will ask for the game pin. Enter the game pin 99011364. And nickname, in place of nickname, you type your first name. So I'm starting the game. Get ready, all of you. First question is on the screen. The associative property is applicable to. Yeah, very good. 7 answer I got. Very. Okay, time up.
Whoa, now, so 8 students have given the right answer. And Hamza is on the top.
Yes. Now get ready for the next question, all of you. The additive identity of rational number is? Very good. Very fast. Wonderful. You're playing awesome. 7 seconds left. Good. Very good. So the additive identity of rational number is 0. See the scoreboard. Shubhangi. Now Shubhangi is on the top.
Well done, Shubhangi.
Yes, get ready for the next question, all of you. Question number 3. Find out the wrong term in the series. Observe the series carefully. Oh, only one answer. Good. Hurry up, time up. Oh. So 31 is out of the series. This is a wrong term.
Well done, Shubhangi. You are still on the top.
Good. Very good, Shubhangi. Get ready for the next question, all of you. Wonderful. Good. 5 answers are there. 6. Time up. So the correct answer is 16, 17, 18. So let us see the scoreboard. Let us see who is on the top. Okay, now Hamza is on the top. Well done, Hamza. Get ready for the next question. If AB and CD are two parallel sides of a parallelogram, then time up. Then the sides will be equal. Parallel sides of a parallelogram are equal and parallel. Now get ready for the scoreboard. Let us see who is on the top. Shubhangi again is on the top. Hamza and Shubhangi, keep it up. Now again get ready for the next question, all of you. Ready, everyone? So there is on the screen decimal. This decimal. Observe the picture carefully, all of you.
Only 5 seconds. Quick.
Oh, time up. Only 10 answers are there. Now again, hold your breath to see the scoreboard. Let us see who is on the top now. Again, Hamza. Well done. Oh, Azim is on the second position. Good.
Buck up, everyone.
Now, next question. ABCD is a rectangle and AC and BD are its diagonal. If AC is equal to 10 centimeter, then BD is time up. Now let us again see the scoreboard. Let us see who is on the top now. Hamza and Shubhangi is on second position now. Well done, both of you. Well done, all of you. Now next question. Nita is the 11th from either end of a row. Only 4 answers. Hurry up, all of you. Oh, only 10 answers. So now again, get ready to see the scoreboard. Hamza is on the top. Shubhangi is on the second position. Afnan is now on third position there. Yes, get ready for the next question. Very good. 4 answers, 5, 6. Okay, get ready to see the scoreboard. Again, Hamza is on the top, Afnan second, Shubhangi on the fourth position now.
Well
So
done,
all of you,
Hamza.
yes, are you ready for the next question, all of you? So next question is on the screen. A polynomial contains dash number of terms. Now, again see the scoreboard. Okay, Hamza is on the top, Afnan second, Azim third, Shubhangi fourth position, Fateh fifth position. Okay, all of you get ready for the next question. Ram is the brother of Amit. Sushma is the sister of Satish. Amit is son of Sushma. How is Ram related to Sushma? I got only 8 answers. Hurry up, the rest of the students. Okay, let us see the scoreboard. Again, Hamza is on the top position. Fateh second. Well done, Fateh. Now you are on the second position. Now get ready for the next question. What is the probability of landing on green? Yes, hold your breath to see the screen scoreboard. Here it is. It is continuously changing. Hamza is on top now. Afnan is on second. Fateh third. Azim fourth. Piyush on fourth position now. Very good. Well done, all of you. You are playing awesome. Get ready for the next question. A cuboid has dash pairs of identical faces. Oh, time up. Now let us see 5 correct answers. Let us see who gave the correct answers. Quick, every second counts. Okay, again Hamza, well done. Fateh second position, Afnan third, Piyush fourth, Azim fifth position. Now all of you get ready for the next question. So here it is the next question. If reason is coded as 5 and believed as 7, what is the code number for government? Now, 7 students gave correct answer. So let us see the scoreboard. Who is on the top? Okay, well done, Hamza, Fateh, Piyush, Afnan, Azim. Very good. Excuse me, Amita ma'am. Allow Khan ma'am to enter. Am I audible, Amita ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. She is in the meeting. I have already
Okay.
entered her.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now get ready for the next question. How many independent measures are required to construct a triangle? So 9 correct answers. Ready to see? Here it is in the screen. Bag has 4 red balls and 4 green balls. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Five correct answers are there. Let us see the scoreboard. Who is on the top? Well done. All of you are doing awesome. Get ready for the next question. Question number 18. An item marked at 840 is sold for rupees 714. The discount percent is? Only 3 answers, 4. Only 8 seconds are left. Hurry up, beta. Only 5 answers. 7, 8, 9. Oh, time up. 15 correct answers. Let us see scoreboard. Good. Well done. So, second last question. The difference between two whole numbers is 66. The ratio of two numbers is 2:5. The two numbers are not received any answer till now. Only 18 seconds are left. 2 answers. Good. Hurry up, beta. 4 answers. Okay, 6 correct answers. So let us see the scoreboard. Hold your breath to see the scoreboard. So it is here. Oh, Hamza is again on the top. Very good. Fateh. Then Piyush, Azim, Afnan. So the last question, get ready all of you. The last question is there on the screen. The centroid of a triangle is the point of concurrence of which of these? Hurry up, beta. Only one answer. Good. Good, good. Oh, only 4 correct answers. It was not so tough question. So let us see the scoreboard. Oh, third position, Piyush. Well done. Second position bagged by Fateh. And the first position, Hamza. Azim and Afnan is runner-up. Congratulations, all of you. Piyush is from Red Roses Public School and Fateh is from SS Mota Singh Model School and Hamza is from New Horizon School. Congratulations, you all. So well done, all of you. Congratulations, winner. So I request our HOD sir to say few encouraging words. Yes, sir. Over to you. Sabauddin sir, are you audible? Am I audible? Can you hear me? Sir, please say few encouraging words. Amita ma'am, is Sabauddin sir there? Unmute. Sir, you are muted. Unmute yourself. Sabauddin sir, please unmute yourself. Amita ma'am. Sabauddin sir, please unmute yourself.
Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay,
Thank
wait
you.
just a minute, ma'am.
Okay,
Now
thank you,
can
sir.
you hear me properly?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
I cannot hear you, ma'am.
So all of you are requested to stay there in the group only to get the e-certificate, participation certificate and the winner certificates you will get in that group only. Okay, everyone? So get ready for the national anthem and school song. All of you please stand up.
रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम, इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम। इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम, इल्म की रोशनी। हम तजस्सुस न हो, हम न हो जुस्तजू, हम में तहकीक की कम न हो आरज़ू। हम तजस्सुस न हो, हम न हो जुस्तजू, हम में तहकीक की कम न हो आरज़ू। हमको दे जाम जम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम, इल्म की रोशनी। इल्म हमको सदाकत की तरगीब दे, इल्म इखलाक दे, इल्म तहज़ीब दे। इल्म से जो मिले ज़हरो दिल को जिला, वो मदावाए दुनिया की तरकीब दे। हाँ करे ये बहम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम, इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम। इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम, इल्म की रोशनी। खाकसारी भी हो, सरबुलंदी भी हो, अज़्म आहन भी हो, दर्दमंदी भी हो। एक ज़र्रे की भी दिल में ताज़ीम हो, और सितारों की सी अर्जुमंदी भी हो। भर ले आँखों में हम इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम, इल्म की रोशनी बन के आए करम। इल्म की रोशनी पाए हम हर कदम, इल्म की रोशनी, इल्म की रोशनी। जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
Yes, although we have concluded the event, but you are requested to stay there, remain there in that group to get e-certificates and winner certificates. So with your permission, Sabaudin sir, can I end the meeting? Okay, all of you, take care. Allah Hafiz. You will get e-certificates and winner certificates in that group. Okay. Thank you, sir. All of you, Allah Hafiz. Take care. Goodbye.